Alright, so here we are on this January 3rd with no snow on the ground, not much. Just from the light snow squalls we got a little bit, but it wasn't very substantial at all. We really had below average snow for all of December. But now we have the storm coming up. Now there's a winter storm warning in effect and a special weather statement in effect, which is calling for the storm. And it's very interesting that it was supposed to be yesterday. The forecast for this storm was supposed to be -8 today with light snow, then -6 tonight, rising to 0. So temperature rising all the way up to 0, then up to plus 12. This was supposed to be 12 degrees, and then down to -11. And now that has changed to -10, -3, and 2. Which changes the whole game. So it was supposed to be, the time of the storm was supposed to be a little bit of snow, a little bit of freezing rain, and a lot of rain. And now it's going to be a lot of snow, a lot of freezing rain, and a little bit of rain. Which is awesome, the way that it changed. So it changed to snow at times heavy beginning this afternoon, around 2 centimeters. This is likely going to be more than that because it's coming already. And it looks like heavier snow. This is already at the borders of Ottawa. And then tonight, snow at times heavy, changing to freezing rain after midnight. Snowfall amount 10 to 15 centimeters. Wind becoming east 20 kilometers an hour late this evening. There won't be any big winds. The temperature will rise to -3 though, but that isn't 0, it's still going to stay as snow. And then the warning is calling for hazardous winter driving expected. A low pressure system will intensify as it tracks over southern Ontario this weekend and will bring a wintry mix of precipitation to the region. Snow ahead of the system is forecast to begin this afternoon and could be heavy at times, particularly this evening. Szóval ez azt jelenti, hogy a hó elég erős lesz ma este felé, kora estére. Éjszaka meg átvár ónos esőre. Snowfall warning amounts of 10 to 15 centimeters will be possible before the snow changes to freezing rain overnight. The freezing rain is expected to persist for several hours before temperatures rise above 0. The change to rain is expected to occur early Sunday morning for most locales. Another interesting thing is how cold it's going to be in the next couple of days. High of -20. I mean, that's pretty cold. Low of -30. And that's probably going to go down more, usually. The forecast goes even more down as it comes closer. So now we check the radar. And the radar says the storm is right at our doorsteps. So it's pretty close. That's some pretty heavy snow coming in. But the major storm is still, this is the storm, but the major part is still down here. Most of the energy is in here. And it will be sliding through like that. And the reason we're getting above more snow, way more snow than we were expected, more freezing rain and less rain, is because the track of the snow is like this. The storm's gonna go like this. And it was expected to go like this. So it's supposed to be going like that, and this stuff was supposed to be getting. Now we're gonna be getting this stuff, resulting in more snow, up to 20 centimeters. And then freezing rain on top of that, which will make very hazardous driving conditions for sure. Alright, I'll get back to you when it gets closer, or when it starts snowing. és eső. Ja. Ez jég. Nem lehet leszedni. Itt kijött egy darab. Nehéz itt felmenni. De ez a papucsám eléggé ragad. A cipő az kevésbé. És még mindig szakad. Nem olvad, csak esik, aztán megfagy. Ma este éjjel mínusz 17 fok lesz. Ez nem rossz. Hú. Meg a hófogás. Amikor még havazott önnek. Mindenhol ott van az onos eső. Csá. Now it's still snowing again. Now, giant chunks of the ice on the trees, which you can't see. There's ice on the trees everywhere. Giant chunks are it's windy, so giant chunks are coming down and hitting the window. It's freaking crazy. Szóval még mindig esik a hó. Majd most kezdett el újra esni a hó. És fúj a szél, és ugye a jég, ami van a fákon, letörik, és neki megy a tetőnek, mindennek állandóan hallani ilyen zónásokat. A szél miatt, nem azért, mert olvad, mínusz 6 fok van most már, hanem mert fúj a szél. I love weather. You can see the snow. And what?